Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this Bissell Little Green Spot Cleaner. As you see, we've got some marks here on our couch. Haven't cleaned this in a little bit. The kids like to make some messes and stuff on here. This works great for cleaning this stuff up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this works. All right, so right there we go. We cleaned that up. As you can see, that water in there, that's all the dirty stuff that we just sucked off that cushion right there. Really easy to use that. Whenever you push this button down, your cleaner sprays out. Be sure to stock up on your favorite cleaner. They sell all different types, whether it be something for pets or something for cleaning your upholstery on your furniture like this, something good for cleaning up for kids, whatever. They make a whole range of stuff. The water sprays out, this comes in, sucks it up, scrubs it down, pretty much everything all in one, really fast, really easy to do. We really like it. We've had this thing for about 2 years, use it quite frequently, haven't had any issues with it at all. Actually, whenever we first received our very first one, there was a little piece broken off and Bissell took care of us, sent us a new one. Everything worked out really well. Had a brand new one in like a day. So great brand, great product, great performance. Go ahead and check it out.